Thank you so much. One of the things that I feel is very important for those of us who've been granted the blessing and the honor and the privilege of an opportunity to have a platform such as this is the opportunity to use it well. When we've got an opportunity to say something, I believe it's important to say something of value. And with that in mind, and with all of the horrendous things going on in the world at the hands of people who perceive themselves as superpowers, I think it's important that as a folk writer or a folk songwriter that we speak out against those injustices and not just write feel-good songs about how great it is to be a Muslim, but to write songs about the obligation of Muslims to stand up for justice. And this is a song called Prophet for Profit. And it's dedicated to political leaders who think that they speak on our behalf and narrow-minded religious leaders who think they can speak on our behalf.
Scriptures again, election polls, collection plates and pockets padded again. In your rigid mind, hide all the rules that you bend. You're either with us or against us. Well, we'll see in the end. And don't think you lead me as you lead yourself on with the lies that you speak. And don't think you fool me behind your prophet's beard. There's a prophet, you see. Prophet, you see. Prophet, you see. Ooh. Papa, arrogant smurf, smirk on my TV screen when you say God bless us. I know what you mean. Well, the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air. Under your colorful smoke, your cartoon world's a joke. And don't think you lead me as you lead yourself on with the lies that you speak. And don't think you fool me behind the dunes that you search. There's a prophet, you see. Prophet, you see. Prophet, you see. Ooh. Behind the passion I hold, there are millions like me, deaf to your definitions of democracy. And we don't want your twisted spirituality, and we don't want your bloody hands on the scriptures we read. Freedom is a word that we've all overheard in this holy war crusade where rhetoric is absurd, where faith and state join to dictate fate. And freedom means free to dominate. And don't think you lead me as you lead yourself on with the lies that you speak. And don't think you fool me behind your prophet's beard. There's a prophet you seek. And don't think you lead me as you lead yourself on with the lies you speak. And don't think you fool me behind the dunes that you search. There's a prophet you seek. Behind the city's debris, there's an oil leak. Behind your prophet's beard, you're a coward who's weak. Beyond the city's debris, there's a bed where you sleep in peace. Sleep in peace. How can you rest in peace?
Thank you. It's been a pleasure and a joy to be here in Malaysia. You have a very beautiful country, very beautiful people. I've never seen so many smiles and such laid-back people in my life. It's wonderful. That's what we need to bring us all together. Less dogma, more smiles. And with that, I will leave you tonight with one final song.